If you've ever swatted at a fly, you know how difficult it can be to get rid of these pests. Check out a few tips to help keep flies from bugging you. 1. Seal entry points. Flies can easily slip through holes. Repair or replace damaged door and window screens. Seal any cracks you find. Keep your doors and windows closed if they don't have screens. 2. Remove food sources. Flies feed on crumbs, sugary liquids, and trash. Keep food in containers. Clean up crumbs and spills. Remove trash regularly and don't leave dirty dishes in the sink. 3. Eliminate moisture. These pests need moisture to breed. Fix leaky pipes and faucets. Repair clogged drains. Remove standing water in your yard and keep your gutters clean. 4. Clean up after your pet. Flies feed on and breed in decaying matter. Cleaning your yard and litter boxes daily will help to prevent flies. 5. Remove yard debris. Decaying matter is the perfect place for flies to breed and hide. Remove leaf litter, dead plants, and grass clippings. You'll also want to keep grass short. 6. Plant bug-repelling plants. Some plants naturally repel pests. Try adding mint, rosemary, lavender, or basil to your yard or home to keep flies away. 7. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. Our flying insect killer spray kills flies on contact and provides residual repellency. It's formulated with plant essential oils, making it a more environmentally and family-friendly solution. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.